Hey guys, Geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you how to do a registration on ChatGPT. So this basic tutorial video for those people who are interested to start using ChatGPT but don't know how to do registration and a little bit frustrated. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a really easy way how you can start using ChatGPT, how you can do registration there. So let's start. Okay, firstly, let's open an internet browser. I use Google Chrome, and let's type ChatGPT login. Press enter. First link, this link, chat OpenAI ChatGPT. We have to open this link, and we are here on the page for authentication, and there is a greeting, welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So we have to create an OpenAI account, because if we have no OpenAI account, we cannot log in into ChatGPT. So before logging in, we have to create the account. So let's press on this button, sign up. Okay, press it. Okay, here we go. We are on the page where we can create an account for using ChatGPT. So easy way how you can create OpenAI account for ChatGPT. You can use your Google account or you can use your Microsoft account. And if you want to create account by Google account, you have to press on this button, continue with Google. Or if you have a Microsoft account and you want to create an OpenAI account by Microsoft account, you can press on this button, continue with Microsoft. Or if you have no Google account and no Microsoft account, you can do a registration by your email address and press this button, continue, and then finish registration. I already did registration by Google account. So if you have a Google account, you can do this by your own. You have to press continue with Google, okay? And then you have to choose your Google account. You know, mine is Geekovich. So if you have multiple Google accounts, you can choose what account you can use for creating OpenAI account for ChatGPT. I have only one account, Geekovich. So I press on this account. So then you have to verify your email by following the link OpenAI send you. And then here we go, you have an account. And if you want to log into ChatGPT, you have to type on this button, log in. And then on this page, you have to choose continue with Google and press this button. Here we go, choose account. So, and you already created an OpenAI account by using your Google account. So choose the account you used for creating an OpenAI account. On my way, I use Geekovich, only one account. If you have multiple account here, you know, multiple Google account, you have to choose account you using for creating OpenAI account, okay? So here we go. My congratulations. We created an OpenAI account for ChatGPT, so we can use ChatGPT now. So on this field on the bottom, you can say something to chatbot. Hello, chatbot. Okay, press enter. So there is a reply from chatbot. Hello, how can I assist you today? So that's good. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like it and it was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.